Looking for a powerful and long-lasting battery? You're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best LiFePO4 batteries. High performance, packed with features like Bluetooth BMS and 24V 100Ah power. Whether you want reliability, maximum load, or smart monitoring, we've got you covered. Stay tuned until the end to find out which battery is perfect for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. This LiFePO4 battery delivers 2,560 watt-hours of reliable power with a nominal voltage of 24 volts. It features a 100 amp rated discharge current and up to 120 amps peak output for high-demand applications. With over 80% depth of discharge and long cycle life, it ensures maximum energy efficiency. The built-in BMS provides advanced protection and stable performance. It supports 4P4S series and parallel connections for flexible expansion. Charge safely using a LiFePO4 compatible charger or an MPPT controller with solar panels for optimal performance and longer battery life. Item number 4. This 24V LiFePO4 battery from Bemry delivers an impressive 7,680 watt-hours of energy with a 300-hour capacity and grade A cells. It features a powerful 200-watt Bluetooth BMS, 200-watt charge and discharge current, and up to 300-watt pulse output. With over 6,000 cycles and 80 cent plus depth of discharge, it ensures long-lasting performance. The battery is IP65 water and dust resistant, supports up to 8 units in parallel for 24 volts 2400Ah, and includes low temperature protection. Backed by a 10-year warranty and CE, FCC, RoHS, UL, KC certifications, it offers maximum safety and reliability. Item number 3. This 12V 300Ah LiFePO4 battery from DATOUBOSS delivers 3,840 hours of energy and uses grade A cells for exceptional performance. It supports 200 watts continuous and 240A peak discharge with over 80% depth of discharge, ensuring high efficiency. Equipped with a robust 200 amp BMS, it offers protection against high and low temperatures, overcurrent, overload, and short circuits. With 4,000 to 15,000 cycles and up to 10 years lifespan, it outperforms traditional lithium batteries. It supports 4 in series and 4 in parallel, making it perfect for solar, RV, boats, trolling motors, and home backup power. Item number 2. The SOEC 12V 24V LiFePO4 battery packs offer exceptional performance with capacities ranging from 100 hours to 300 hours. Built-in BMS ensures safe operation with over 4,000 cycles of lifespan. Designed for versatile use, these batteries are perfect for e-scooters, RVs, solar systems, and more. They feature high discharge rates with cutoff voltages at 10 volts, 20 volts, and a wide temperature range for charging, -20 to 60 degrees, and storage rated to 45 volts. With IP55 water and dust resistance, these batteries are durable, reliable, and come with a 5-year warranty. Item number 1. The HRB Energy 24V 100Ah LiFePO4 battery delivers 2,560 watt-hours of energy with a built-in 8S100A BMS for safe and reliable operation. It supports up to 100 amp continuous and 200 amp pulse discharge with over 6,000 cycles and 70% capacity retention at end of life. Charging is 29 volts and 0.2 volts with max 50 amp, and it operates in temperatures from -20 to 60 degrees. The battery is IP5 water and dust resistant, housed in a durable ABS case, weighs 22 kilograms, and measures 5x22 x 4,208 millimeters, making it ideal for RVs, solar, boats, and other high-demand applications. Which of these LiFePO4 batteries is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.